Orlando Pirates head coach Abdisalam Wadu has welcomed his side's rise to the top of the Betway Premiership table, but insists the title race is far from decided. The Buccaneers climbed to first place after a composed 2-0 victory over Durban City at the Moses Mabhida Stadium, finally capitalizing on their games in hand to overtake long-time leaders and defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns. The win capped an impressive run of form for the Soweto Giants, who have now claimed 9 victories in their last 12 league outings. Yet, even with momentum firmly on their side, Wadu was quick to cool any early season championship talk and said we are ready to fight for the league years, but we must understand the strength of the teams around us. The PSL is one of the highest levels in Africa. There are very good sides, very good coaches, and if you relax even for a moment, you can be punished. While acknowledging that Pirates have earned the right to be viewed as serious contenders, Wade stressed that sustaining their position at the summit will require unwavering discipline and consistency, as it is good to be at the top now, but staying there is the most difficult part. To stay in that position, you must keep working, keep focusing, keep respecting every opponent. No one gives you anything in this league. The Moroccan coach also reflected on the team's early season struggles, noting that the squad has gradually adapted to his philosophies and the club's revamped structures. He said when you start a new project, it takes time. Now the players understand the game model, and that gives us confidence. But the season is long. We still have 5 months of hard work. With Pirates finally finding their rhythm under Wadu, the title race promises to be a gripping battle, but the coach is adamant that complacency cannot creep in as the campaign enters its decisive stretch. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.